Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. This simple tip comes from my recent experiences travelling around the Med on a cruise ship. Most cruises allow you to purchase a fixed amount of internet access based on the bandwidth used. Now this can be extremely expensive and requires you to log in and log out of the ship's systems to accurately stop and start access. So to help me with this, I set up a few simple shortcuts and added them to my today view. Now obviously I'm not on the ship at the moment, but what I'm going to do is simulate what I set up when I was on the cruise. Now if I go across to Safari, when you log into the ship systems you would normally see this login screen, and from here I can start or stop my internet access. So what I want to be able to do really is, one, switch on the Wi-Fi if it's not switched on, go to this page and then tap start or stop. Now I could navigate, I could go into settings, I could switch on my Wi-Fi, I could then go across to Safari and navigate to this URL, but I'm going to do it using a shortcut. The first thing I'm going to do is just tap up in the bar. Now this is just a PNG file that I'm hosting on a web service, but it gives you the idea of how this might work. I say select all and copy. Right, so I've got the URL now. So if I cancel that, come out of here. Now just to prove this is working, if I go into settings, and if I go into Wi-Fi and switch Wi-Fi off, back into Safari, and if I just, well, although it's there, I'm going to go paste and go. You'll see Safari cannot open the page because your phone is not connected to the internet. So I've switched Wi-Fi off. So let's come out of here. Let's now go into shortcuts. I'll swipe down. It's the first suggestion. If it didn't appear in this list, I would just type in shortcuts. But there are my shortcuts. So I already have some shortcuts here on the iPhone. If I tap create shortcut, now I need to add the actions to build my shortcut. So I want to switch on Wi-Fi first. So if I tap in here and type Wi-Fi, so set Wi-Fi. So we're going to set Wi-Fi on. The next thing I'm going to do, because if the Wi-Fi was off and I ran the shortcut, it would switch Wi-Fi on immediately and then it would go straight to a URL. I need to give it a bit of a gap, a bit of a pause to enable Wi-Fi to come on stream and to connect. So I'm going to add a wait period. So if I go to search and tap wait, here we go. So wait for a specific number of seconds, let's say 2 seconds. Now I need to give it the URL, and the way I can pass the URL into the shortcut is by putting in a text box. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.